Alright, in this problem it says Raven is building a quadratic equation from a table of values. She already knows that the standard quadratic equation form is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Raven has already found the following two equations from the table of values, and they are here below. Now we just need to solve the system of equations there to get a and b. You can see all the answers at the bottom are just asking for your a and b values. To start, let's pick which one equation we can isolate one of their variables easier with. The top one looks a little simpler, so I'm going to write it up here. 3 equals a plus b. Let's get one of those variables by itself. Let's try a. So to get rid of the b next to it, I'm going to subtract b from both sides. So I get a, and on the left I have 3 minus b. Another way to write that that's a little simpler, I think, is a would be equal to negative b plus 3. I don't like that minus b, so I'm going to move it to the front of the equation. So it's negative b plus 3, because the 3 is still positive. So that's actually my isolated a. Now if I plug that into the other equation, don't plug it into the same equation, plug it into the other equation, you can actually find your answers. So I'm going to write out the other equation first. 4 equals 4a plus 2b. Now I'm going to plug in my a. My a is this entire piece here now. So I'm plugging that in right there. Let me write it out. 4 equals 4 times negative b plus 3. That's instead of a. Plus 2b still stays there. Go ahead and distribute that 4. See what we get. 4 equals 4 times negative b is negative 4b. 4 times positive 3 is positive 12. And then plus 2b is still there. I need to combine like terms. These both have b in them. I have a negative 4b and a positive 2b, so that becomes negative 2b. Plus 12 is still there. I'm almost done, right? I have one variable, I have one equation. I can solve for b now. I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides to get the b by itself, hopefully. These cancel out. 4 minus 12 gives me negative 8. So I'm going to take it from the top here to save room. 4 minus 12 again is negative 8 equals negative 2b. The 12 and negative 12 have canceled. That's gone. And so I have a negative 2b. I want to divide by negative 2 to get the b by itself. b now equals positive 4. Negative 8 divided by negative 2 is positive 4. Okay, so b equals 4. That's one of our answers. I'm going to circle it down here. Now we just need to find out what a is. Luckily, you might remember up here, I actually have an equation for a. I'm going to write it over here. a equals negative b plus 3. And I know what b is now. It's 4. So a equals negative 4 as b plus 3. a equals negative 4 plus 3, which just becomes negative 1, which is right here. So my answers are a equals negative 1, b equals 4.